Assalamualaikum dear students. Welcome to Active Learners Point. Welcome in the maths class. This class is for standard first semi English Urdu. So dear students, let's learn maths with fun. तो प्यारे बच्चों, ये क्लास स्टैंडर्ड फर्स्ट के जमात अव्वल के सेमी इंग्लिश उर्दू के बच्चों के लिए है। तो आप तैयार हैं? तो चलिए सबसे पहले चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करते हैं, बेल आइकन को दबाते हैं, वीडियो को लाइक करते हैं और शेयर करते हैं। टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न नंबर 3 एंड वी विल लर्न एंड अंडरस्टैंड 3 नंबर एंड हाउ टू राइट नंबर 3। तो प्यारे बच्चों, आज की इस वीडियो में हम नंबर 3 इसे समझेंगे और उसे किस तरह से लिखना है ये सीखेंगे। What is number 3 and how to write number 3 we will understand in this video. Are you ready? Let's start. Dear students, tell me what is this? This is a picture of stumps. And how many stumps are there? 3 stumps. Dear student, see the next picture. What is this? These are leaves. And how many leaves are there? There are 3 leaves. Now we have to draw 3 beads here. Let's draw 1, 2, 3. Have you done? Very good, very nice. Now see how to make 3. 2 and 1 make 3. 2 और 1 मिलकर कितने बनाते हैं? 3. Very good. Now we will learn how to write 3. You also write 3 like this. THREE 3. Very good. So dear students, do you understand number 3? Tell me how many fingers? 3 fingers. Now sing a song of number 3. 3, 3, 3. 3, 3, 3. A rickshaw has wheels 3. Set the doggy free. A rickshaw has wheels 3. Set the doggy free. So dear students, do you like this song? You like it now? Very good. Now let's do some fun activity to understand number 3. What is this? This is a picture of bat. You have to color 3 bats. You also color in your textbook and count and color 3 bats. 1, 2, 3. Very good. This is the picture of ball. You have to color 3 balls. 1, 2, 3. Very good. And this is the picture of badminton. You have to color 3 badmintons. 1, 2, 3. Very good. Very nice. So dear students, we learned number 3. So how many stumps? 3. And how many leaves? 3. How many blocks? 3. And how many fingers? 3. And we colored 3 bats, 3 balls and 3 badmintons. Isn't it? Very good. Now we will trace the number 3. You also trace with me in your textbook. Very good, very nice. 3, 3, 3, 3. Very good. Now we will write number 3 in these empty boxes. You also write in your textbook 3, 3 3 3 3. Remember, dear students, say while writing. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.